chills, man. Oh, that was good.
Continue on South Country Club Road for 3/4 of a mile.
Can you do that again, Fred? I fucking love it. It makes me cuckoo. It just came on my own face. That's beautiful. All right, enough, because I'll be into this all day. Oh, isn't that good? I'm telling you, Black Crows with Jimmy Page. That shit should have kept going, but I read that book by one of the ex-Black Crows, and he said there was too much fucking craziness in the band between the brothers and all that shit, and it just couldn't fly. Jimmy Page had enough. He just packed up his bags and split.
Yeah, he doesn't need that.
No, but he loved it. He loved those guys.
He wants to perform.
In a 1/4 mile, turn left on US 36 West.